Good day and welcome to Redi Truck Body. My name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Business Development. I'd like to spend just a few minutes with you today going over the newly redesigned Redi deck. Let's take a look at Redi deck. First and foremost, Redi deck is available in three distinct models: Redi deck SL, Redi deck tow and haul, and Redi deck contractor, the very model we see here today. The Redi deck has been around for quite some time, but we've sent this product through an evolution to make it more ergonomically friendly on the job site for you, the end user, or maybe the fleet. Let's take a look at that. The contractor body begins its infancy from the ground up, known as a Redi deck. This Redi deck development begins with what we call a stacked understructure. That's a formed long sill, receiving a stacked cross sill, and then a tread plate steel floor that's integral to a 5-inch rub rail on both street side as well as curbside. Then we incorporate an integral 3x4 boxed tubular bulkhead with full width vaned window for exceptional visibility over the shoulder when you're backing up to those key contact points, such as maybe a trailer or maybe at a job site. One of the big focuses by the engineering team here at Redi Truck Body was to develop the next generation product to be a universal mount. That means that we want one body to perform a variety of applications across all of the chassis manufacturers that we find that particular brand to be adaptable for. When you look at this product, you also notice that it sits a bit lower than the last generation product. That is because now we've incorporated our fuel fill ports in the outer rub rail rather than below the rub rail. This allows us to lower the body. It gives the vehicle a more stable ride when under a load at highway speeds. And it also allows a more ergonomically friendly profile on these full-length toolboxes that are part of the contractor package. These boxes are 96 inches long by 12 inches by 16 inches high, and they also have an intermediate support post system because of the long span that they run. But the beauty of it is that it has pass-through availability. When the doors are dropped down, the boxes are capable of accommodating longer items, such as maybe a 6-foot level, a hot stick, shovels. You'll also notice that the doors themselves have a 2-point closure system and a full gasket perimeter with aircraft stranded cables, okay, for peace of mind, and actually a provided workspace for that contractor. They're made out of aluminum tread bright material, corrosion resistant, and they'll stay very, very nice for years to come. So when we thought about the mounting of the body, we also wanted to incorporate some of the environments that this product may be pushed into, such as towing. The receiver hitch on this is physically a bolt-on hitch. There is no welding, there's no cutting, and there's no extension of the chassis frame thereof what already the manufacturer has provided. That makes it very, very friendly for all of our distributors, peace of mind for our customers, and allows us to give you a certified hitch system. Let's take a look at that mounting system itself. Now that I'm down here, let's take a look at how this hitch assembly is attached to the chassis frame itself. 4 massive mechanical fasteners, both street side and curbside, is bringing that hitch assembly onto the chassis frame as well as to the body. That is also allowing us to certify the hitch rating for 16,000 pounds and a 2,400 pound vertical load. Now that's impressive. Let's face it, a lot of work gets done at the rear of the truck, right? So let's take a look at that. You know, this truck is very heavily protected in the rear. After all, they're backing up 2 things. The one thing that's impressive is this nearly 15-inch high buck plate made out of tread plate steel. We also elected to make sure that everything was heavily protected as far as rubber isolation on the lights, stop, tails, and turns, the clearance lights, and the license plate is picture framed. Keep that thing from getting damaged. A 16-inch high tailgate that will actually drop down parallel to the ground when you need that extra floor plate extension, or you could release the safety chains and drop the tailgate down completely vertical. Look at the load space in this product. 69 inches between the 2 toolboxes. Impressive. If you look at the tubular bulkhead, you'll also notice that we have rubber isolated and integrated stop, tail, and turns and a center high mounted work light. A great feature in low light levels or when you're loading the load space or backing up to a trailer. The contractor body definitely has all of the versatility that you're probably looking for, but we'll let you figure out how you want to use it. Now let's talk about some of the options that are available on Redi Deck. In fact, most contractors have the need to carry a ladder. Over-the-cab material racks are available on this product, as well as steel and aluminum toolboxes that you can mount either on these existing tool mates that you see here or forward of the rear axle, depending on the OEM chassis that you pick. Most contractors, end users, fleets, businesses, they're all concerned about image. They need to make sure that their product looks great running down the road 3 years from now as it does today. Well, Redi has taken on a great amount of detail and pushed it right into the product with a heavy discipline to fight corrosion. All Redi decks go through a 12-stage electrocathodic immersion process. This is where we bathe the body, degrease it, then hit it with a phosphate bath, and then an acrylic epoxy E-coat prime, and then apply this world-class polyester powder coat finish on top for the hardest finish in the industry. All of this in conjunction with our 3-year structural warranty and a 3-year top coat finish warranty makes this the warranty on this product the best in the business. Thanks for your time today. I hope I've presented you with some information that will help you make an intelligent buying decision on your next Redi product. I ask you to contact one of our authorized Redi distributors out there and let them be of service to you. Redi, nobody better.